Today we're going to learn how to make beaded snowflakes. Materials needed are beading wire and flat bicone rondelle spacer beads with some pink rounded beads. Cut 20 to 24 inches of wire. Then make a loop on one end. This way you don't lose the beads. Feed 6 beads to start. Then form a loop and twist to secure the center of the snowflake. Feed the first arm 1 pink bead and 7 clear beads. Then feed the wire back through the first 3 beads of the arm, leaving 5 beads to form that outer snowflake circle. Feed the wire through the adjacent center loop bead to start the next arm. Pull wire taut and then twist the arm of the snowflake to secure. For your second arm, feed another pink bead and 7 clear beads. Then again, feed the wire back through the first 3 beads of the arm. And feed through the next adjacent center snowflake loop bead. Pull the wire taut and then twist the arm to secure. Continue on for the next snowflake arms. Until there are 6 arms in total. Once the final arm is in place, twist that arm, then place the 2 loose wires together and twist them until it feels fairly secure. Trim the twisted wire, and your snowflake is almost finished. The final step is to twist the arms again until it feels secure and tight. Go through the entire snowflake until you feel it's secure. You can add a bow or place a hook to hang it in the tree. The same can be done with other beads. Start with the center 6 beads, then add the arms, feeding the wire through the adjacent snowflake center loop bead as you go along. Pull the wire taut and twist. Once all the arms are in place, then you are done. Here's another snowflake look with different beads. Note that there won't be as many beads fed into this one. It's the same pattern, just not as many beads in the snowflake arm. Quite lovely. The possibilities are endless. And again, you can use a hook or place a bow. Have a very Merry Christmas.